Hello everybody, my name is Golden and this is Video Game Talk. I'm gonna do some arcade games and tell you about them. First, we're starting off with the classic Donkey Kong. I couldn't find the original version, but this is the closest I can get. Well, to tell you what Donkey Kong is based off, it was based off a Popeye game. Girlfriend, the bad guy, and the plumber now. Well, apparently he's the plumber now. Well, this is a pirate, but you get the point. Except Nintendo replaced them with a plumber, Pauline, and Donkey Kong. And that's how Donkey Kong was even a game. This is way too hard for the first level. I mean, it's not Donkey Kong itself. I mean, it's not like 75M. That level's hard. I can't climb. Whoa, physics. Hey, for the millionth time.
Time over.
What? I jumped out. You mean time out, not time over? Your grammar sucks.
Game over.
You suck. Let's go to a more classic arcade game than the whole entire classic go. You know what this game is. It's Pac-Man. 1980. The same year the Game & Watch was invented. And I guess it was good. You know. But Pac-Man, one of the most classic, well-known arcade games of all time. Along with Pong, Donkey Kong, Mario Bros, Donkey Kong, and Pong, and Pac-Man are the most known ones ever. Okay? Now I'm playing this tutorial only with Blinky, I know that. Why would I get the game called Pac-Man if I don't know what the game is? Besides, I know. Then why would the pellets be there? And why would the pellets be there in the first place? The whole point of the game is to eat the ghost and get these pellets. If you eat the ghost more, you will earn lives. That's the original ghost. This is a whole different game. Let's go to an even more classic game. Back to the Atari. This is one of the most classics ever. Pop. It may be boring, but it was good for its time. Cause keep on forgetting which one's my paddle. Mine's on the right, by the way. So we're at a tie. Nope, I'm winning. Even in classic games, I'm good. Surprisingly. It may have no soundtrack, but Atari was good for its time. Yay. I keep on winning. I just jinxed it, but whatever. It's still actually kind of satisfying. Just hearing the boop. It's satisfying to my ears. The pop is really good. It's really addicting. But bland, one screen, goes to 11 and that's it. Actually, it goes to 20 for its max limit from like the television and stuff. The double vision and stuff like that. Now he's winning. See, I did jinx it in the first place. Let's go to a thing not many people know. people didn't know what this game, much of these games were. Give you an example. This is the simple, you know, Breaker. This was an Atari and this was an Atari. Oh, poo. Do I get a life? Yeah, I should. Now I'm just playing Pong with myself. This was another thing made by the Pong makers, I guess. Just because of the sound effects and the... I mean, at least the circles were invented. I mean, this is a more advanced arcade... Okay, dang it. I lost. Wait a minute. Oh, I still have one life left. Well, I'm barely hitting most of it. Hey, there's lives over there. Okay. Now I'm playing Pong with myself. Okay. Still playing Pong with myself. Okay, I gotta... You gotta... To play this game, you gotta know the momentum. Where it's gonna go. Like, you gotta go far out when it bounces. That's just how the physics of these games work. Now we got Frogger. This is a classic. Okay, I suck at this game. Okay. Okay, literally, this isn't fair. I walk out into the road. If I hit one tiny pixel, I'm dead. So it's night when I touch one measly 8-bit pixel. Is there a time limit? Oh, there is a time limit. Why does this frog have a lifespan of a couple of seconds? What? No. Okay, well, that's it, I guess. Well, hope you enjoyed my arcade talk about. Thank you for watching. But first, before I talk, I need to show you my face. Now let's play this one more time. Just for the sake of it. Okay? Angry Video Game Nerd needs to take a review on Frogger. Like now. Where am I? I don't understand. Oh. Okay. One more tip. Where am I? Oh, it's again. One more time and I'm gonna end it. Okay, one more death. I'm gonna end it. Balls go up the ground. Okay. Yay! Wait a minute. Okay. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed Froggy. It's to rip off a Frogger so they don't get copyright noticed. Well, I hope you enjoyed.